Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the disgusting delight that is Den of Imagination's Plague Juggernaut. If you love grimy flesh, corroded gold, and armor that looks like it's oozing disease, this video is for you. So let's get into it. Start by priming the model in white. Once dry, base coat the entire power armor using Minitaire's Rotted Flesh. It's that perfect sickly green that screams Nurgle approved. After that, apply a generous wash of Vallejo Game Color Sepia over the entire armor. Let it flow into the recesses. It's going to do a lot of the dirty work for us. When the wash is dry, take Minitaire's Pestilence Flesh and apply it into the middle of each armor panel. This builds a subtle highlight while keeping that grimy vibe. Think blotchy, not clean. We're painting a walking disease, not a parade float. For the warped and mutated flesh, I'm going to base coat with a 50-50 mix of Army Painter's Agate Skin and Minitaire's Rotted Flesh. Then give it a diluted wash of Vallejo Express Color Deep Purple. Even though this is going to be an all-over wash, I'm also going to be focusing more of this color into the deepest recesses. Once that has dried, I'm going to apply a base coat of Agate Skin and Deep Purple mix 50-50. Then I'm going to highlight back up with Barbarian Flesh from Army Painter. It should look gross, but organic. For the trim, we're using Scale Color Metallic Black Gold. This gives a deep ancient gold look. Then mix 50-50 Black Gold and Scale 75 Peridot Alchemy to pick out the highlights. Gently edge highlight the raised parts to make them pop out without losing that aged feel. For the one bit of cloth that's on this model, I'm just going to give it a base coat of Vallejo's Express Color Deep Purple. For the small amount of silver bits, like the weapon barrels and bolts, we're picking them out using Speed Paint Metallics Broadsword Silver. It's bright but not too clean, which works great for a rotted war machine. All the bone and mechanical details are going to be base coated with Vallejo Black Primer. Then mix the 50-50 black primer with Army Painter's Yellow Ice for an eerie, subtle highlight. Keep it scratchy and uneven. Imperfection is gold here. To make the flesh look really painful and angry, thin down Games Workshop's Contrast Sigvald Burgundy heavily. Then paint it into the folds where the flesh melts into the armor and any spot that needs a bit more punch. Drag the brush from top to bottom, letting the pigment settle where you lift the brush. That extra contrast adds a lot of storytelling to the model. Use Vallejo blue-green to paint Verdigris effect around the rivets and recesses and damaged gold areas. Keep it subtle. This step adds corrosion and age, selling the whole ancient Plague engine look. And for a final touch on the armor, I'm going to be glazing Scale 75 Intense Color Endurance Brown into the recessed areas where the armor meets the trim and any damaged areas. It adds that last layer of grime, tying it all together and making the armor look truly diseased. And there you have it, your very own Plague Juggernaut, bursting with texture, filth and character. If you found this tutorial helpful, disgusting or both, hit the like and subscribe button, and let me know what you think of this project or if you have any other projects in mind. Until next time, see you in the next video.